Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's YouTube SEO video, I want to discuss YouTube SEO versus YouTube SVO. So SVO is suggested view optimization. This strategy came about from my partner. He shared it with me, so I decided to make a PowerPoint presentation so I could share it with you. So let's just jump right in. People think that you should optimize your videos for low competition keywords that are easy to rank for on YouTube. These are known as long tail keywords. Traditional YouTube SEO would make it seem like this is a wonderful idea, but it's not. You want to target keywords that have very high competition. Now, this might seem a bit insane, but I will explain why and how this strategy works. So, why use YouTube SVO instead of YouTube SEO? When it comes to YouTube SEO, keyword competition is a good thing. Actually, high competition is a real good thing. And why is that? This is why SVO is a little bit better than traditional YouTube SEO. See, most channels get around 10 to 20% of their views from YouTube search. So depending on the channel and the niche, like I have a utility channel, I do information, channels might only get 5% of their views from the YouTube search engine. YouTube's homepage is covered with personalization for the user, and what appears on the homepage is largely based on videos that you recently watched, as you know. Most views come from suggested videos and also browse videos, not your search videos. There's a little diagram here. 57% of your videos are brought in either by suggested view or browse. So, and those are really the two features. So let's just keep moving on here. Competitive keywords help you get more views from suggested videos. And why is that? Because your videos will show up alongside videos that people have already watched. And this is called the SVO strategy, suggested video optimization. Optimizing your videos around high competition keywords will get you more views. So SVO equals more views. When most people optimize their YouTube videos, I was guilty of this too until just recently. They optimize them to rank in YouTube search, and this is traditional YouTube SEO. But like we just covered, YouTube search only produces 5 to 20% of all views being produced on YouTube. So optimizing your videos for YouTube search is not a good idea. So that is why YouTube suggested video optimization is more effective than YouTube search engine optimization. By targeting higher competition keywords, you will not only bring in YouTube search views, but also bring in more suggested and browse YouTube views, because your videos are now showing up with the higher competition. They're showing up as suggested. So you want to optimize your videos around high difficulty keywords that a lot of other popular YouTube videos are optimized around. Then when you use the high competition keywords, you will start to show up as a suggested video alongside the popular videos, earning more suggested views. And this is the suggested video optimization strategy. I want to thank you for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this SVO strategy. If you have any SEO questions, video SEO questions, anything related to Facebook, digital marketing, ads, anything at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.